I will present you now the holy grail of computer using. Okay, let's start. All computer applications are tools. You can use a tool for its specialized task or for something else. For example, here we see a drawing program. You can draw with it. I will draw something very quick. It's a tree. Another application is the calculator LibreOffice Calc. I did not use it as a calculator. I used it as a tool for quick creation of simple shapes. This way we can change the original purpose of the application. We will turn off the lines to get a clean white surface. Now, using the screen capture tool, we will mark the part where the drawing is. After selecting, copy the clip to the computer's memory. And now I can just import this, what I have done with a spreadsheet, in a drawing. Of course, I will turn on the transparency. So you paint it with a drawing application. You have created shapes with the calculation application. Now I would like to place a 3D cube in this position. You can use specialized applications to create a 3D cube. Or you can make a cube by programming. I will use the programming language FMS Logo, with which we can program the cube in a very simple way. FMS Logo is a very popular and powerful educational programming language.
You can execute your own code and adjust the 3D cube drawing angle, cube size and more by simple changes to the programming code.
Now you can execute this code. As you can see, you have the cube. The main reason I choose to build a cube with a programming language is because I can control it. I can change values and I will get a bigger cube. Or I want to change the position of the cube and I will add some new commas for it. I have the possibility to control the cube. When I am satisfied with the appearance of the cube, I can hide the triangle pointer. I use a simple command for that. It's HT. I will again crop part of the image using a screen capture app. The application I use is called Lightshot. I will copy the clip to the computer's memory and activate the Paint application. In the end, I will stick my cube where it's suitable for me.